Welcome friends, I am Yanela Barreta. In today's video I will tell you everything you need to know about Moyobamba. Enjoy all its activities to the full. To start to Moyobamba is located in the department of San Martin. To Moyobamba is by air from Jorge Chávez Airport to Tarapoto Airport. Once we get to Tarapoto, we can go via transport to Moyobamba, and in Moyobamba the means of transportation is motorcycle. To visit in Moyobamba, we can visit the main square in the cathedral that are in the center of Moyobamba. You can also relax in the water of the thermal baths of San Mateo, in the sulfurous baths of Oromina. You can always visit the Tawisco viewpoint, where you can see the Mayor River and the Moro Calzada, where you can go trekking. And finally, the Tingana Natural Refuge, considered an ecological paradise where you can see varieties of flora and fauna. The gastronomy that exists in Moyobamba is varied, and among its main dishes are grilled tilapia, chilcano de carachama, and inchicapi de gallina. Finally, on Jan 24, the Fest of San Juan celebrate, organized by groups. They dance to the bands of the poetry is total.